What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be working on a 2014 Mazda CX-5. We'll be replacing the engine oil on this car and the oil filters. Alright, let's get to it. First of all, we'll put a car on the stand. Be sure to use proper jack stands. Here are the parts we're gonna need. Today, we'll be using Penrite GF5, 5W30 engine oil, and a 436 Reco filters. We picked those up from Autobahn for about $50. Alright, let's drain the oil and get started. Tools we're gonna need for today's job. We're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, oil filter tool, 70mm, 8mm, quarter-inch drive, half-inch drive, and some protective gloves. Before we start, we're gonna pull out the dipstick just to let air in. I'm gonna remove the oil cap. First of all, we're gonna remove the under tray, so this thing covers up the thumb plug of the engine. So that's one clip. Pop it up, and that's two 8mm holding the cover on. After the cover is removed, we'll have the oil filter over here, and that's the drain plug. And now we're gonna remove the oil filters. So now we're gonna put some oil on the O-ring to lubricate it before we do the install. Wipe the excessive oil on your pants so your fingers are clean. And now we can go back and install the oil filters. Make sure that's firmly installed, and we should be good. So now we're gonna put 4 liters of engine oil.
One eternity later.
We're gonna put everything back together and start the car up and let it idle for a little while, see if there's any leaks. If there's no leaks, we can go back and install the undercover, and that should be it. Now we're gonna start the car up. Let it idle for a while, and then go underneath the car, double check if there's any oil leaks. If there's no leaks, then we're all good to go. That's how you do a minor service on a 2014 Mazda CX-5. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.